Do you want to know how to use Gemini 2.0 for free? I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. As you can see, I'm in my browser here in Google Chrome, and I'm going to simple type in Gemini in the browser here, and it will take me to this Google search. Then I'm going to click on gemini.google.com, first option in the list here. And guys, if you're trying Gemini for the first time, it will prompt you to sign in. You'll agree some terms, and it will tell you, you'll receive a pop-up that it says try Gemini 2.0 for free, right? So you can go ahead and try it. However, if you have not seen that pop up, then you can easily go ahead and switch this current model language to the 2.0. And this is how you do it. In the upper left hand side, you find the Gemini 1.5. Just simply click this drop down, and there you have the 2.0 Flash Experimental. Switch this, and you can use the 2.0 language model, and it is as easy as that. Now you can ask it whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to ask it to create an image of a supercar, right? So I'm going to simply ask it to create an image of a supercar and allow this language model to generate something for me. And this is the language model 2.0 of Gemini at its finest. And there you have it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You can go ahead and try out the Gemini 2.0 model here for free by simply go ahead and signing in Gemini and switch the language model. It's ready, it's available, so go and check it out. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.